This is going to be one of the best videos I've ever made in my entire life, because this is specifically made for you. This is going to be so life-changing. I even just want to keep it to myself. You know when you discover treasure and you just want to hoard it and hide it from other people so that they don't discover it? This is how I feel about this video. I've never shared this with anyone before. This is going to be so life-changing. Not just for you, but also for me. Be social on social media. That's all it takes. In the comment section below, drop your name, country of origin. If you're comfortable with it, drop your age as well. But also, share something unique about yourself. Let's connect with one another. That's what it is. You think I like speaking to a camera? This is not about the camera. There's no human connection with the camera. I'm doing this for people. I have over 360 videos on YouTube for a reason. For people, for humanity. This is all about the betterment of humanity. So be more social on social media. Like, dislike, comment, whatever it is, make sure that you are interacting, right? You are there. Your presence is felt. That's what it takes. Be social on social media. Don't just be a ghost. Don't just be a ninja watcher, like watching from the background, not interacting. Get your hands dirty. Let's get to know each other. Let's connect with one another. That's all it takes. My people, you guys are my people. I don't care if you're white, black, or green, whatever race it is. We are all, this is an all human race. That's what it is. You are human, I'm human. So this is not about me just speaking to a camera. In order to have a social life, be more social, especially on social media. This is the future. This is it. Be social on social media. That's all it takes, guys. I don't care how big this video gets, I'll always come back and reply to each and every comment. I will reply to each and every comment, guaranteed. Let's go!